Who is your favorite?
Mommy.
Yay! Thank you. It's not Daddy.
Daddy also. Daddy also.
Mommy also.
Bewang best friend na si. Bewang is your best friend?
Yes.
Wow. Hi, Lulu.
Bawang.
Okay.
Bawang best friend.
Really? Si Bewang best friend na si. Bewang is your best friend?
Yes.
Wow. Hi, Lulu.
Yes.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red?
Yes.
What's your favorite flower?
Red flower.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. And then what's your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Really?
Yes.
That's great. I like it too, apple. What's your favorite
Animal.
game? Oh, what's your favorite animal? Yeah. Huh?
I don't know.
What's
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs? Okay, nice. Yep. What's your favorite bird?
I want parrot.
Really? So nice.
Parrot. Coming.
Okay. What's your favorite food? Eating one. What's your favorite food? Pizza, bo,
Ball.
bo.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Egg.
Egg.
Okay. What's your favorite? Like mommy or daddy? Who is your favorite?
Mommy.
Yay! Thank you. It's not daddy.
Daddy also. Daddy also.
Mommy also.
Yay!
Mommy and Daddy. Hello.
Mommy.
Mommy and Daddy. Hello.
Dad.
Baby. Mommy and Daddy. Hello.
Mommy.
Who is your favorite? Female or Perry?
Baby.
Really? Okay. Who is your favorite friend? Jin or Daddy?
Jin.
Okay. Daddy đâu cái mở rồi. Daddy học có đó, nè Daddy.
Daddy also.
Daddy also.
Okay. Okay, who is your favorite?
Daddy and mommy.
Really? Daddy and mommy? Thank
Look,
you.
give me a kiss.
Wow. Thanks.
Hello, this side also.
Thanks.
Tasty.
Lu, what's your favorite drink? Milk, chocolate, or complain, or what is that? Bornvita. What's your favorite drink?
Chocolate.
Really? Thanks. Okay. Okay.
And what is your favorite fruit?
Banana.
Oh, banana. I like it.
Revelo ay pelilu.
I like it. Banana. Really good.
Lu,
And then
where you want to go, Lu? Beach or playground or where?
Bench.
Oh, why?
I want bench.
Why?
I want swimming.
Why?
I want swimming.
Okay. What about sandcastle?
Yes.
Really? Like
Like
that?
it?
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite vehicle? Auto, train, car, cycle.
Do you like auto?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, wanna go to school, Lulu?
Now.
Oh my God, that's so
You don't want to go
wrong.
school?
No.
Wanna go to school? Jin school?
No.
I don't like to go.
I don't like it go.
Oh my
I
God,
want daily
That's-
sitting here.
that's not my girl.
I want to sit here.